All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I've been training for Formula Drift Japan IRL, but on the sim. So we did a whole series in the dry, and now we're doing everything in the rain. This is round 4, Okuibuki. This course is nuts, honestly. I still need some practice on this course. I think I'm gonna learn a lot in the rain though, so I'm really stoked on that. Let's just get started. If you guys wanna watch the last video, you can see me do kind of a track walk and talk about clipping points and zones. This one, I'll adjust it a little bit, but I just wanna get to shredding. Oh, my bad. I didn't know you guys were going right away. All right, so this is gonna be my first lap in the rain on Okuibuki. I've never done this before. We're just gonna send it, see what happens. I can't see anything. I'm not mad at that. I don't know who was chasing me. I don't feel like I was a terrible lap. It's hard to see, so that's kind of interesting. Yeah, so that one, entry was obviously a little wonky. I knew that like right when I entered, but then the rest I felt pretty good on. So I'm gonna do a couple more, just make sure we're feeling good. It's interesting with the rain, I feel like you don't have to be quite as committed going in because you can kind of get away with handbrake sliding if you need to and kind of like put yourself in the right spot. And then the rest of the track is it's not easy per se, but it's not super hard. As long as you do the entry right and set yourself up. I'm out of this here. Oh, it's on me. Oh no! So I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if I was going into the wall or not. I don't know if that, like, it was a small tap, but Assetto Corsa things, they will send you like 5 feet. But still, I like, you know, I'm not mad at this. All right, I'm gonna do a shameless plug. You guys gotta go check out our merch, all right? HaugenRacing.com. We literally have, what, like 10 t-shirts designs, 4 sweatshirt designs, probably 80 sticker designs right now, and all sorts of other stuff. So go to HaugenRacing.com, buy yourself some merch, buy your kids some merch, your mom some merch, whatever. We got stuff for everybody. It really helps support me and the rest of the guys at Haugen Racing so we can keep making this sick content and go compete this year. Oh god. Alright, I'm gonna try chasing one, just see what I can learn. Oh no. Yeah, so Okuibuki is tricky in the rain, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like on some of the transitions, so after that like first outer zone and then the first inner clip, like going to that next one, you gotta be really careful so you don't like overfloat it, because then you kind of set yourself up wrong for what's essentially the third outer zone and kind of smoke the wall there. And then I think the inner clip on this map is different than real life. Like I keep watching and trying to compare, and I feel like the inner clip is too far in on this map. So like too close to that wall, and it kind of pushes you really close. In real life, you do nose up on the wall pretty close, but it looks like that last inner clip is a little bit further out. So it's just like a slightly different line you have to take. And I was pushed it just a little bit too close, but let's go do another one. Let's try a lead. I want to get that solid before we really just stick to chasing and try to get some good runs in. Nice chase. Okay, I keep messing up the entry, but the rest of the run felt pretty good. I think I was in pretty much where I needed to be, and the chase was really good. I gotta get this entry figured out. I gotta keep working on it. Sometimes I think I struggle with like the weirdest things in drifting. It's like I'll be able to do like the hardest stuff the best, or what I think should be the hardest, and then just what should be the simplest, easiest thing, I'm like overthinking maybe, or just kind of like struggling with. So I'm gonna do like, try to get one more good lead run here, try to get that entry a little crisper, and then we'll get some chases in. Trash, god damn it. God, the boys were freaking on me. All right, let's try a chase run. It's always good. Like I say this all the time, but seriously, if you're feeling like good, you can make it through the course, you just have some stuff off, go chase somebody. You know, you don't have to be right on them, but you'll learn something from them. And the BMW has been driving really well, so we'll learn some stuff.
You're gonna learn today.
Nice, that was fun. Well, I feel like everybody at this level in this lobby, like no one wants to lead because chasing is just so much freaking fun. So that was like our first, like, I guess we did one other chase run, but I feel really good about that run. Just so you guys watching, like, I don't think the inner clip is quite correct. Let's do some more chasing. God, that was a nasty entry. Oh no! Stay in it! Oh no! Oh, I don't know what happened there. We were jamming. Alright guys, I gotta say, I really like Okuibuki in the rain. This is pretty fun. I feel like once we can get rid of the Assetto Corsa things where you can actually scrub your bumper a little bit and the inner clip's in a better spot, I just feel like this course is sick. It's definitely gnarly, but I'm really enjoying it. I feel like I'm driving it pretty good. Definitely still got some work to do. I think definitely some car setup stuff would be good too. Maybe messing with the gearing and kind of messing with settings. If you guys want to see more of this, by the way, like more sim practice for FD, let me know. I was gonna kind of stop this series and go offline, but let me know, comment below. Oh yeah. You tripped me out. Oh, alright, I'm feeling pretty freaking good on this track. We got a special outro planned for you guys. This is gonna be sick. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. I love all of you. We got a couple more rounds left in the rain, so I hope you guys will stick around and watch these videos. Also, this week is all 10-minute videos, so watch all 10 minutes, otherwise I hate you. And if it works, we'll do 12 minutes next week. Anyways, I'm just playing with you guys. I love you all. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.